You see the essential parts of any C program. You know how to use the joint keywords if else. You know if else is used where there are two situations, either the statement is false or the statement is true. But in real life there may be more than two options. I am showing you with an example. Suppose we have to say about two numbers. Two numbers among these two, between two numbers, which one is greater? Then there may be three situations. The numbers may be equal, or one may be greater, the other will be, and the third other will be smaller. So let us see a simple program for this. I am declaring two integer variables, and obviously I have to scan these two variables. So I use the printf function, enter the first number. Thereafter I have to scan this number. So I use scanf function. Inside double inverted comma I type %d format specifier, because both are integer variables and here it will be a. Thereafter, for similar work we do not type again, we just take copy of that and paste as I did here. Okay, the only change will be here. Here will be the second number and here will be B. And remember, inside scan a function we use ampersand. Now it is okay. Now if there may be three conditions, if A is greater than B, okay, then we print %d is the greater number and %d is the format specifier which stands for A. Mathematically that A is greater than B, obviously A will be greater. Okay. Thereafter there may be two more conditions. There may be two more possibilities. Either A will be smaller than B or A will be equal to B. One condition, one possibility, sorry, not condition, possibility. One possibility A is greater than B, we have written for that. For that you see this if, inside this if, this is the possibility A is greater than B, and there will be maybe two more possibilities. Second is A may be equal to B, and the third is A may be smaller than B. So in this situation we do not use if else. There are three conditions, so there may be three, there must be three. Then we know the two, if and else. What is the third? Third is else if else, not if else, else if. So I use here else if. And else if inside this we have to write the condition a equals to b. This is the condition, and in this we have to use again the printf function to show the output, and here we have to write the numbers are equal. And the last you have to write else. And you must always remember that inside for else we do not write any condition. Always remember, if I have used a greater than b here, the possibility I have shown, then in remaining two, so there remains only two possibilities. Either a will be equal to b or a will be less than b. So there is no need to write the condition for the third, that is else. And always remember, when you use else keyword, there is no condition. So I directly here I use printf function to show the output. The number, or more precisely the first number, is the smaller number. Here you can even make the sentence more beautiful. Here you can write the first number %, and here you can write comma a. The first number is a, so this will be more beautiful. Okay, now our program is ready. Here again you have to notice how these three have been used. This and this. These three, the use of these three. This else if, when you use else if, this excludes the possibility of the previous. This one. Let us run the program. Yes, it says to enter the first number. I am entering the first number, suppose 23. Thereafter it says to enter the second number, so I type 34. Here it says it is showing the numbers are equal, but 23 and 34 are not equal. It is wrong. So let us see what is wrong. Here inside we have to use the assignment operator. This was the wrong. This thing is wrong, and the correct is you have to write the sign of equality 2 times. Now let us run the program. Now I am inserting the same value 23 and 34. Yes, now the output is correct. The first number 23 is the smaller. You can check for any two numbers. Suppose this time I enter 23, again 23, pressing the, yes, you see the numbers are equal. Okay, because I have entered the same number 23. Now the third, let us see the third case when the first number is greater. This time I am using different numbers. 67, you know 67 is greater if you take the second one smaller, suppose 45, and pressing the key enter. Yes, it is showing let us run it again. $67 and 45. Yes, you see 67 is greater. Okay, so this program is correct. You can see the entire program. Here is the entire program. You see the program. In this, you have to understand the mechanism of these three.